Welcome to Giggly Tombs. Mylo the monkey, swing, 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 laughing loud and doing his thing. In the forest, bright and green, happiest monkey ever seen. Oh, what does he see? Little Lou near a tree. Nest fell down, she starts to cry. Teardrop rolling from her eye. Don't be sad, says Mylo bright. I will help you make it bright. He calls Tara, run so fast. Helping friends is what will last. Lift it up and place it tight. Now the nest is shining bright. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Lulu sings. Kindness makes us grow our wings. The end.